Today's tip deals with the structure of your presentation. First, of course, you organize your content, and then you need to present it in a simple, easy to understand way. Memo writing, where you tend to put the most important thing at the bottom, is out. The principles of news writing are the rule. What is that? The lead, or the core statement, the body, which is your key message with some examples, and the summary, which is kind of a repeat of the core statement. This concept is the easiest to remember if you think of the 3 tells. You tell them what you're going to tell them, you tell them, and then you tell them what you told them. The 3 T's apply to any kind of presentation, long or short, formal or informal. That and the KISS principle. Keep it simple, sweetheart. I'll be back with more tips to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.